Hi friends, this is Selvajang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how to set up ASDM in Cisco ASA firewall. So what is an ASDM is an adaptive security appliance device manager, which is WebGUI or for a graphical representation for a Cisco ASA firewall. So for PIX we have used PIX device manager, and for Cisco ASA firewall we use ASDM, that is the adaptive security appliance device manager. And in this architecture I am going to show you how to configure ASDM. So Cisco ASA firewall we can either configure via CLI or via GUI, what we call it as an ASDM. So what are the steps we are going to do is, in this particular architecture I have connected a Cisco ASA firewall to the GNS3 cloud. So also make sure that both these interfaces should be in the same subnet. So my VM subnet is 192.168.84.130. So the same thing, this interface I am going to assign in the same subnet. So I connected the management interface of the ASA firewall to this GNS3 VM cloud. So what are the steps I am going to do today is, first I am going to set the management interface of the Cisco firewall to an IP address. Then I will activate this interface. Then I have to enable this command for the accessing WebGUI of ASDM. Okay. First I have to enable the username and password for this Cisco ASA firewall. Second thing, I have to enable HTTP server enable and the below command for accessing the web GUI of the Cisco ASA firewall. So let us go one by one. So first let us go to the CLI and let us activate the management interface of the Cisco ASA firewall. And I'm going to assign the IP address to the management, which should be in the same subnet as of this VM. Okay. So let us go here. So this is the CLI of Cisco ASA. Go to the configuration mode. Okay, then go to interface management 0 by 0. Okay, that's the thing of this interface. And then let us name this interface. What's the command is name if mgmt, that's the name. And then let us assign the security level. Let us assign to 100. So which is the most trusted thing. Then let us assign the IP address. Okay, 192.168.84.32. So which is the same IP, which is in the same subnet as this VM, GNS3 VM. Okay, so 255.255.255.0. So why am I assigning this particular VM IP, the same segment IP? Because I have connected this management interface of the ASA firewall to the GNS3 VM cloud. Okay, so now let us go here. Now let us activate this interface. Let us do a no shut. Okay, so we have activated the interface and let us view the running configuration. Go to show run. So you can see here. So this is a management interface management 0 by 0. Name is mgmt, security level I assigned to 100, and the IP address is 84.32. So these are things I have done. Now I am going to activate these two commands for accessing the web GUI of ASA. Okay, HTTP server enable. So the second command, I can either use this command or this one, either HTTP 0.0.0 mgmt, or I can specifically specify the subnet and the subnet mask 192.168.84.0 followed by the subnet mask, and this mgmt is nothing but the interface name what we have given here. Okay, so I hope you are following. So now let us go here, go to the configuration mode, HTTP server enable, then let us assign this IP, HTTP 192.168.84.0. That's a subnet address. 255.255.255.0 is a mask. Okay, followed by the name of the interface, management interface, mgmt. Then just write the thing, save the things. Now what I'm going to do, now let us open the Chrome browser and I'm going to access via this IP address what I assigned. Okay, https://192.168.84.32. That's the thing I'm going to do. So let us open the Chrome browser. Okay, so what's the thing is https 192.168.84.32. so this IP I'm giving. Just click advanced, just proceed. So now it will ask for the two options. This is an ASDM launcher wizard. So now it will ask for the two options, whether you are going to install ASDM as a local application or ASDM as a Java start. So I'm going to use this as a local application. So now let us install the ASDM launcher. Okay, so now it will prompt for the username and password. So I remember still we have not set the username and the password. So let us now set the password, username and password. So go to the configuration mode. Username is, let us give it as Cisco, followed by the password and the privilege level. That is, let us give it as 15. Control Z. Now save it. So now what I'm going to do, now let us provide these credentials. One is username is Cisco, then click enter. So now it will install the launcher. So now you can double click this. So just double click it. So now it will ask for the installation. Just click next. Okay, and finish. Okay, so now it will directly take you to the IP address, username, and the password. This is a ASDM launcher. Okay, and it will prompt for the IP. Default IP already what we have configured is 84.32. And what is the username? Just enter the username and the password. Cisco, just click enter. So now it will directly take you. Go click continue. So now you are able to see the wizard, right? So now you can see the interface, that's the management interface, and the IP address followed by this IP. The interface status is both are up. Okay, so this is the way we can configure the, or we can set up the ASDM in Cisco ASA firewall. So ASDM nothing but the adaptive security appliance device manager. So what are things first we have to configure is, first we have to set the management IP and activate the interface with assigning the IP address. Then you will set the username and password followed by these two commands. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.